Okay, just open Gimp. I've added a few images, just one image. Now add text using text tool. Write whatever you want. I'm gonna write background. Select it all. Give it a font size as your will. I'm gonna give 200 pixel, color white. Okay, and let's make it bold. Bold. Now drag the text wherever you want. So there are basically two methods of putting background color. First is just select the text layer, go to the pocket tool, choose a color, and just click with the pocket tool. Now you just left a lot of blank space between this O, G, T, A, and if you have a lot of text, then it's just a lot lengthier, and it also does not provide you the customization. Let's just remove it and see the other method of adding text background color. For that, add new layer. Okay, now you have just added a blank layer. Paint it using the pocket tool. Now you need to pick a color which you want the text background of. Just paint it. Now go on the layer section and bring the text layer in the top. Select the blank layer which we just added. Select crop tool. Crop it as you want. You can crop it whole or just crop it half if you want this background in half of your text, and hit enter. The rest of the background is just removed. Now to add another background color for the rest of the text, do the same process. Add layer. Okay, pick a color using pocket tool. I'm just gonna go with this. Paint it. Now you need to drag that layer below the first layer so we can see the height and width of the other background, and you can now crop it as you want. You want something like this, you can do it. So that's it for today's video. If you want more GIMP tutorials, then subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.